To get 3D wallpaper with a parallax effect like that, we can download the application for free on Google Play Store. After 3D Wallpaper Parallax application is installed on your phone, open the application. This is the initial interface of the application. On the menu icon at the top left serves to view the profile. If you are interested in the features, we can subscribe to this application. But in this tutorial, I use free version without having to register. In the icon on the right, we can sort searches by trending, recent, or most downloaded. In Wallpaper Search, we can display 3D and 4D wallpapers. From here, we can choose the image that we want to use as wallpaper. And on this screen, we can see live preview of the wallpaper. For example, I will use this one. Select Downloads. Then select Set Wallpaper. To avoid freeze on the wallpaper, open Battery Settings by selecting Open Settings. Then select Battery. After that, select Battery Optimization. To bring up the battery settings of Parallax 3D Wallpaper application, change Not Optimized option to All Apps. Then disable Battery Optimization feature for Parallax Wallpaper 3D app. If it has been disabled, return to the application view. If it hasn't been downloaded, select Download again. If it is successful, select Set Wallpaper. Select the gear icon to make adjustments. In this menu, we can adjust the movement of the parallax effect of the wallpaper. To set this image as wallpaper, select Set Wallpaper. Then specify where the wallpaper will be displayed. In this tutorial, I only use it on the home screen. And the result will look like this. The movement seen on the screen, following the movement of the phone. That's how to use 3D wallpaper with parallax effect. That's it for the tutorial. And thanks for watching.